What's up, you guys? So I know it's been a while since I last made a video. So on Christmas, my girlfriend gifted me the Revlon Hair Volumizer and Dryer. So I figured why not review it on here, make a video for you guys. I'm going to be trying it on dry hair first, and then in the same video I'll also be showing you my review on it with wet hair. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so already I can tell the cord is fairly short. I mean, I guess you don't need it to be that long, but in my bathroom, I like to sit in the middle where I have like this little vanity space. So I mean, I guess I can just stand over there, but like right now, being pregnant, I like to sit down and take my time getting ready. So I mean, there's that. Back here is where you can see the options. It has cool, low, or high. I'm gonna be using it on the high volume. So I wanted to tell you guys that instantly it heated up big time. So I like that already. So if you guys don't know much about me, I like to cut corners as much as I can. I am not a perfectionist by any means, especially when it comes to me getting ready. I just like the quickest, most possible way. So I am literally not even gonna section off my hair. I would probably do that on the wet one. But for this one, since my hair is already dry and it's literally just been in a bun for days, I'm just going to go right in with it. So first impression, I probably spent less than 5 minutes on my hair, and I don't know if you noticed that I was a little bit in pain, but that's because I had huge knots in my hair, and this thing heats up so quick and it got those knots right out. And I have really thin hair, so I do feel that volume in my hair, which is crazy because it's not something I'm used to feeling. And I mean, in less than a couple minutes, and to have this wild rat's nest in your hair and just have it smooth out, it's pretty impressive. So now it's got me really curious as to how it would work with wet hair, and I can't wait to show you guys that right now. So here is the final results for it after drying it with wet hair. I like it. I probably took like 10 minutes. Again, my hair is very thin. So, I mean, if you have thicker hair, it's probably gonna take you longer, but it feels really soft, really manageable. I really do like this. I don't wash my hair on a daily basis. I can see myself using this anytime I travel outside the home, you know, at a hotel room or wherever it is that I am not home and can't air dry my hair and you just have to get up and go to outings or whatever. I really like it. I recommend it. It's worth spending the money. Obviously, it was a gift for me. So if you want to know if it's worth it, my answer is yes, it's worth it. I love it. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, share it, like, subscribe, all that. Thank you guys for watching.